This one's tough, but awesome. So the demo was these two springs connected, and I cut the string in between them, and they went up. So here's a picture before I cut the two springs. It was basically two springs in series. Now, when that happens, both spring has to have the force equal to the weight of the mass. We can express the force on a spring this way. It's the spring constant times the length of the spring minus the unstretched length of the spring. So if I look at the distance this is, I'm going to call it y. It's that length plus a little b piece in the middle. And but the important thing is that each spring has to support that mass. Now, once I cut it, I have two springs in parallel. So each spring only has to support half the mass of the weight, half the weight of the mass. So the length of these are going to be shorter because they're not pulling as hard. And on top of that, I have this other piece C here. But with that, I get a lower distance. I wrote it right down here. That's the distance with the two springs